How to view dashboard in Honor of Kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily view your dashboard in the Honor of Kings game. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Honor of Kings game on your device and wait until the main home screen fully loads. Once you're inside the home screen, also make sure you are logged into your account and go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon or your avatar. This will open up your profile panel. This section acts as your main dashboard hub. Here you can easily see your level, rank tier, match history preview, and your basic performance stats. Inside the profile screen, look for tabs such as match history, hero data, etc. These tabs will open up your detailed dashboard section. From the info section, you will be able to see your info tab where you can manage your profile avatar, view your best highlights, see your tags, your win rate, match history, number of heroes, number of matches played, number of days played, and so on. From here, you can also change your hero by going to the bottom right and tapping on this blue button, from where you can select a different hero and the selected hero will be loaded in your profile. After selection, click Save and wait for a few minutes. And that's it. Your dashboard in Honor of King is all inside your profile. Once you know where your avatar button is, you can always get back to your performance data in seconds. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.